Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. Okay, use portrait mode. After that, place your glass cup, then you place your phone on top of it, then you use your hand and do as if you are pressing it for water to come out. Look at what I did. After that, now for some few seconds or minutes, remove your phone, then go and bring your water. Now bring your water, then you pour your water inside your cup. Just pour your water inside your cup. Look at what I am doing. Then after that, now you can now save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace. Then locate where you want your video to start. The moment you press your hand on top of that phone, click it and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. So at this point, you keep adjusting the video. Keep adjusting the video, guys. Keep adjusting the video. Alright, keep adjusting the video now. At this point where you are about pouring water to the cup, okay, just come back, click on the video now, make a split. Click on it, make a split, guys. Go and locate overlay. Look for overlay, guys. Click on overlay, click on the video, drag it to the beginning of that one. So drag it. At this point, make it align, then click it now. Click on the second layer now. Go and look for mask. Locate mask, guys. Click on mask now. Click on mask. Click on horizontal. Then you want to turn it. Turn the line. Then as you turn it, you drag it down. Drag the line down now. Drag the line down, okay? Drag it down. Drag it. So at this point now, you can leave it there. You can play with this feather icon, alright, to blend the video. At the point now, mark on that good. At the end, mark on that good and go back. Then let's play the video and see what we have got so far. Good. This is good. You can see what we have just created now. So this is good. But at this point, you can see that the curve seems as if it's there. But before then, let us trim out the part we don't need. Click here, make a split. Click on this one, make a split. Delete this one, delete the up one, okay? Then after deleting it, we want to add a sharpness to the video now because the video seems to be there. Go and look for adjust. Click on adjust now. Click on brightness. Click on brightness, guys. As you click on brightness, adjust it. Maybe 10:10, 12:12, 14:14, as the case may be, depending on the brightness of your video and what you want to achieve. Alright, so keep clicking them. Adjustment, contrast, saturation, exposure, all of them. Keep clicking them and adjusting them. Alright, adjust them. Don't make it too much. Alright, you can maybe 10:10, 7:7, 12:12, as the case may be, depending on the sharpness of your video. Then after adjusting them now, you mark on that good and go back. Alright, mark on that good now and go back if you have finished adjusting it. Now play the video. You can see it's better now, it's more sharp now, right? So at this point, this your video is ready. What will be remaining on this video now is to add your other effects. Alright, your sound effect, light, every other effect, every other thing you want to add to the video, you add it. After adding it, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Alright, my number is at the description of this video. Just go and DM me and I will put you through. After that, now you just click on export and export your video to your gallery. Your video is exporting now. Just calm down, allow it to export, finish. Now your video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Alright, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, if you have enjoyed this tutorial so far, why not give us thumbs up? All right, thanks for watching. Stay safe.